use P equals 2L plus 2W to give an expression for the perimeter of rectangles. Okay, so we can use P equals 2L plus 2W, but you can also use another very simple formula, P equals 2 times length plus width. So we'll try using that one instead. So P equals 2 times L plus W, that's the formula, and let's plug in what we know. So 2 is a constant, and here we go. What is the length? So the length is here, so 9y plus 3, and then we simply add whatever the width is, and the width in this case is 7y and minus 1. Okay, now you can see that we have a situation where there's a number outside of the brackets and a whole bunch of terms inside the brackets. So let's just multiply out of the brackets. 2 times 9y, that's 18y. 2 times positive 3, that's positive 6. 2 times 7y, that's positive 14y. And 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So the final line of working, all we have to do is simplify the terms. So 18y plus 14y, that's 32y. And 6 minus 2 is positive 4. And we've got units of measurement for this one, so add those in as well. And this is the final expression. Same with the next one. So you go perimeter equals 2 times the length plus the width. So let's plug in those values. So the length in this case is 12y minus 2, and we're going to add the width, which is 6y plus 2. Then we just multiply out of those brackets. So we go 24y, 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, 2 times 6y is positive 12y, and 2 times 2 is positive 4. Then we have, all we have to do is simplify our terms. So 24y, 12y leaves us with 36y, minus 4 plus 4 takes us to 0, so that cancels each other out. And with the units of measurement, centimeters. And the final one, again, let's just start with the simple formula. Perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. So let's plug in what we know. So 2 times the length, which is 5y plus 4, plus the width, which is 4y minus 5, and then we simply multiply out of the brackets. So that'll be 10y. 2 times 4 is positive 8. 2 times positive 4y is positive 8y. And 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. And so the final line, we're just collecting like terms to simplify. 10y, 8y, so that's 18y. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. We're talking meters. And so that's our final expression.